Hey, what's going on YouTube? Hope everybody day is going good or night's going good. Hope everybody had a good weekend like I did. I rested. But I just wanted to give you guys an update to the Jarvis Butts daily docket for him and his friends, pretty much. Just so that you guys have it and keep tabs of who's doing what, and who's going where. So let me just go ahead and share this information, share this link. Give me 1 second. Let me add myself to the screen first. Give me 1 second. All right. So we're first going to take care of Shannon Harris, the baby mama. We all know she has a active warrant out for her right now. And I want to share that information to see if there's any updates to her case or if there's any progress that has been made. So give me 1 second. Okay, here we go. Sorry, guys. I got a lot of links in the background that I got pulled up. All right, so this is the one I want. So this is her register of action, and I believe then it was for a no insurance misdemeanors, which she got a warrant out for. See, the offense happened on July 7th. The charge will be no insurance, which in Michigan is a misdemeanor. Keep in mind, Michigan misdemeanors, when it comes to insurance, you can possibly spend up to a year in jail, by the way. So it's not just, it might seem petty or seem not that relevant, but a year in Wayne County jail is nothing likely to be taken. So she had an arraignment on, she had a pretrial schedule for 9/11. But I believe she failed to appear. She didn't even appear for that. So she missed the Zoom court hearing on the 11th, and the warrant was entered for her. So as of right now, it's just showing that she has a warrant out. It doesn't indicate her next court appearance. We wouldn't even know that information until they catch up with her, actually. But yeah, as of right now, it's just showing that she has an active warrant for that no insurance misdemeanor. As far as the next steps, if they catch you, it's a wrap. But I just wanted to give you guys an update to Shannon Harris case because I didn't even know what was. I just know that it was a warrant out for her, and that was it. I didn't know if she was. I didn't know what was going to happen next, or what did happen, or if something did happen next. That's why I wasn't privy to it. So I just wanted to follow up and see what was going on with her. But I can remove that one. So as of right now, yes, she still does have an active warrant. You are still a fugitive. The next one on the list would be Cordell Wright, or King. I want to show his information as well, because he also has a trial coming up, a court date coming up as well. Okay, so this is it. So this is Cordell Wright, the business partner of Jarvis Butts. He's currently fighting a case as well for a prostitution charge. Yep. So the offense date was March 27, 2024. Offered to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution is the charge that he's being accused of. This is recently, as you see the date, September 4th, 2025. Now his actual court hearing is scheduled for tomorrow, the 29th, and that will be at 9 o'clock with Judge Kenneth King. I want to take note of this judge on the record for this hearing because this is the same judge that let Jarvis slip through the cracks the first time. Remember the time he wanted to, he had a legal issue that he just needed to get out to take care of. That this is the same judge that gave him that pass, pretty much, Judge Kenneth King, and that's whose King's trial is with tomorrow for that prostitution charge at 9 o'clock a.m. And one more update. I do want to say before I move any forward, the copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, scholarship, and research. And another disclaimer, I am not a licensed practicing attorney and cannot give legal advice. All right, so, sorry, everything a little slow on my end, guys. Now, we all are aware that Jarvis has a new case, new charge, with his 8-year-old daughter. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. I'm about to share my screen. He was actually arraigned on Friday for this particular charge. So you see the entry date was September 24th. The incident that took place, happened on June 16th of 2021. Of course, you see the defendant's name. Now, for this particular case, his probable cause hearing is scheduled for, I believe, October 8th. But let me fact check that. So yeah, scheduled for probable cause conference October 8th. This is the judge on record, and then he's also due back a week following that for preliminary examination on October 15th. And this is for the new case that he has going on. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys. Everybody has court dates and court hearings left and right and stuff like that. So we all get confused and mixed up because there's so much going on. And this case is steady growing. It's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna stop here, but I just wanted to get you guys, the updated information of what was what and who's doing what and who's going where, who's seeing what, who's facing what charge. That's all I got for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not. Hit the thumbs up button, share, repost. Have a good one. I'm out.